Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are all doing great. I welcome you all to one more super cool session of the Vijaya STEM Club. So, what are we going to learn today? We are going to learn all about switches today. Before getting into the word of switches, first let us learn the simple working of an electrical switch. I have a simple electric circuit for you here. I have made a simple electric circuit using a battery, an LED bulb, a safety pin and two nails and some wires. This safety pin between these two nails acts as a switch. You see, when I close this, the bulb is going to switch on. When I leave it, the bulb is off or it doesn't glow. That is how a switch functions. You see, you will have a small metal strip inside the switch which connects these two terminals. When you switch on, both the terminals gets connected and there will be a flow of current. When we switch it off, there will be no flow of current. Yes, that is how a simple switch works. But my question is, why we are not going to use same type of switch for all electrical devices in your home? That is why I am here today. I am going to explain why do we have these type of switches and how they are useful to us. Let's begin with this. You know this is a very simple switch generally used to learn small electrical devices such as fans, lights, etc. It is also called as a monopole switch or an one-way switch because it has one way in and one way out. Yes, coming to the next type of switch. Can you all tell me what type of switch it is and where it is used? Yes, it is used at your doors. These are called as doorbells. The other name for these switches is toggle switch because this switch always keeps the circuit open, but when you press it, the circuit gets closed and the gadget connected to this switch is going to work at the press of the button. Afterwards, it will not going to work. Coming to the next variety, you have these type of switches. This is generally called as a two-way switch. It will be helpful for you in your rooms where when you enter the room, you are going to switch on the light. You will go to your bed and you are going to sleep there. While sleeping, you need to switch off the same light. You cannot go there and switch it off. You prefer switching off that light just from your place. In that case, these switches are used. These switches has got three terminals. So, this is how the connection would be done. Both the terminals from the top and the below are connected to each other and the terminal which is there in the middle is connected to the light. When both the switches are either on state or off state, the light connected to it will not glow. But if one is on, other one is off, or this is off, this one is on, at that time the light is going to glow. So, two-way switches are used to control a light from two different locations. Coming to the next type of switch. I hope you all know where these switches are used. Yes, these switches are used to control fans at your homes. These switches are called as regulators generally, but the other name for it is dimmer switch because using this switch you can on the device and also you can control the speed of the device, and sometimes it can be used to control lights to give different shades. Coming to the next type of switch, I have something in my hand which is quite bigger than other switches. This is called as a dipole switch. In short form, it is called as DP because it has got two-way in and two-way out. This switch is generally used to control many number of lights or devices at a time. For instance, if you have to switch off all the lights and devices inside your room at once, you can use this switch. This switch is a 32 ADP, 32 amperes dipole switch. Ampere stands for the amount of current it can handle because huge amount of current in the circuit will heat up the circuit, and it will heat up the switch also. That's why it will be given with bigger terminals, and also heavier metal is used inside this, so that because of the heat it is not going to melt. Coming to the next type of sockets generally we use in your house, I need not explain this in detail because you know this. This is a 3-pin socket. It is generally used to charge your mobiles. Coming to the next type of switch, you might have seen this sockets and these type of switches near your mixer grinders, refrigerators, washing machines, etc. Sense with the heavier electrical appliances, because those devices consume huge amount of current. This huge consumption will produce lots of heat. This heat must not melt these switches. That is why these are heavier. The terminals are also heavier, and they are covered with the ceramic material by which they are going to protect this device. At last, dear students, I have a safety device in my hand. It is called as miniature circuit breaker. In short form, it is called as MCB. At times, due to electrical fluctuations or maybe because of lightning, there will be huge amount of current produced in electrical lines. That huge amount of current might produce lots of heat. By there it is going to damage your electrical appliances. To avoid that, this MCB is used in the circuit. Whenever there is a huge amount of heat is produced, this switch senses that heat and immediately and automatically it shuts off, thereby protecting your devices from the further damage. All these electrical appliances and these switches are very useful to us. If they are not used properly, they are dangerous too. Here are few safety tips you should keep in your mind while using switches. Never ever put any kind of objects into these type of sockets. Also, never touch switches with wet hands. It might give you an electric shock. And also, while plugging in a device in a hurry, don't touch the terminals of the plug. It is really dangerous. So please keep these things in your mind while using switches. I hope this session was informative and useful to all of you. Thank you. Have a nice day.